careless, I believe. Oh, the youngest will fly. This brings cheer